So here again, let's look at the group of two group of people and how many number of outcomes we're going to have. In a different clinical trial, 24 people are split into two groups, X and Y. And that's what I've done. We have the X group that has 8 people, so that's X group, and then 16 in group Y. Okay. Each person in group X is paired with 2 people in group Y, so that everyone in group Y is in exactly one of these pairings. Therefore, how many different set of such pairs can be made? Give your answer in the form, and we have form, terms, and condition. So how do we work that? So let's understand. We are picking, oh, why are you? Yeah, so we are picking this person. So from group X, 2 people are chosen, isn't it? So what we can say that out of 16 people that we have here, we choose 2. So it will be 16 choose 2. And then we're going to have and then the next pair. Again, we're going to have one from this group, and then we're going to have 2 from the second group. Oh, they are a bit getting squashed there. Now, what happened here? Here I have out of how many? 14. We choose 2, isn't it? So now 14 choose 2. So we get the idea. It's going to get smaller and smaller every time because I'm going to have smaller. Now this person are even having a smaller group of people. Okay, so first one is 16 choose 2 and therefore multiply. Next one is 14 choose 2 and multiply. So again, 2 less people. So only 12 choose 2. Oh, shit, that should say choose. Choose 2. And then the next one is what? 10 choose 2. And then the next one, let's move that a bit. The next one is what? 8 only left choose 2. And then 6 choose 2. And then 4 choose 2. And we are then left with 2 choose 2. Yeah, so that is all my option. Now, when we put all of that in the calculator and press equal, we actually given the answer in the form they want. We only have to do it to 3 decimal places, so it is 8.173 multiplied by 10 to the power of n. What's that? From scientific notation, isn't it? So I'm hoping that the visual aid help you to understand the idea.